A drop of 2.1% is anticipated in Tron by April 25 cryptonization shows. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. At the moment, Tron is showing a 0.1% decline since yesterday and trades close to $0.3278. Let's move into expert prediction mode. The forecast by cryptonization suggests $0.3209 by April 25, a value about 2.1% lower than now. Tron could trend downward to $0.3268 according to CoinLore, about 0.3% down. CoinCodex highlights it potentially climbing to $0.3282, a rise of approximately 0.1%. A different projection by Gov Capital Collector notes Tron could edge up to $0.3329, about 1.5% more than current levels. And to wrap up, crypto predictions points to $0.3392 by April 25, a projected increase of 3.5%. That's the most profitable scenario overall. We've covered 5 analysts. Let's go forward. Lining up the predictions, here's what they suggest. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decrease of 2.1% and a gain of 3.5%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Crypto Predictions shows the highest projected return with 3.5% gain in value by tomorrow. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $1 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 65.8% chance of success. By reviewing them side by side, I've produced a consensus scenario for clarity. Based on consensus, Tron is likely to stand near $0.3296. Let's break it down step by step. The consensus projection suggests an upward move of 0.5%. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. A 1,000 example position may imply potential gains near $5. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 61.1%. To follow up, let's see how analysts describe the 3-day performance. Cryptonization expects downward momentum to persist. CoinLore indicates the chart will remain balanced. According to CoinCodex, the short-term direction points upward. Tron is expected to continue moving higher, Gov Capital Collector meanwhile suggests. Additionally, Crypto Predictions describes the trajectory as climbing steadily. Bringing all perspectives together, the consensus shows an upward trajectory for Tron over the next 3 days. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that Tron is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. By the end of the session, the price stood at $0.3288. 4 out of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. The leading forecast in terms of accuracy was made by CoinLore. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. Yesterday's trading range included 2 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 1.3%. Here's the full recap table, the entire set of results shown together. In the final stats, coin price forecast posted 0.9% ROI and accuracy. Take a guess. Who do you think gave the most accurate forecast? Now let's take a moment to look at tomorrow's return expectations for Tron alongside a few other coins. Tron doesn't reach the top this time, as Zcash shows the best potential profitability of 11.5%. This section includes just 5 cryptocurrencies, and the full side-by-side comparison of forecasted returns across many coins will also be updated on my site and Telegram. Like and subscribe if you want to stay informed without spending hours checking every analyst yourself. Talk to you in the next data review.